Yellow! Even though I do not agree fully with Tate's ideologies and perception of reality, a lot of the things that he says are true, but a lot of them are too extreme and they're not practical to what creates a functional society. You can't have everyone be Andrew Tate. And in that sense, it's almost as if he does not fit the proper context for role model. Nonetheless, though, you need people like this to act as a counterbalance, causing discussion for the other side of the spectrum. And so even though I don't prescribe everything this man says, I do see the need for someone like this to come about. Nonetheless, though, that's not what this is about. This is about his fighting style. This man can fight. His hands down style is very effective, very powerful, and for the most part it seems as though this man doesn't like blocking punches. He likes using head movement, footwork, pulls. The increased power of the hands down style for his countering ability, thus pressure established through respect of the damage he can deal. That offense in this way works as a defense as well. He throws bombs and he slips or fades back with pull counters. He also ties up frequently against aggressive forward pressure. He's mentally consistent, relaxed, and you see it in the snap and sling of his strikes. His kicks are fluid and relaxed, and his overall philosophy seems pretty simple. Attack what is open, counter what comes. Tie up if necessary, and wait for a reset. And so that's just it. He's punching you in the face, or he's dodging, or he's tying up. Thus, for the most part, when you see this man fight, he looks like someone who's very difficult to deal with for the majority of competition he faces. Here, his lead leg roundhouse is snappy, his teep is beautiful, and overall, he just does a lot of things that are unorthodox. People would say it's weird, that he's in trouble, he's in danger, his chin is exposed. But, for the most part, it seems to work for him. For some fighters, because of their reaction time, their fight IQ, in proportion to the level of competition they're facing, their styles just work for them. That's what his style is. Now that we take a closer glance, we realize that his style is very unorthodox. I don't have anything against Andrew Tate. He's living his best life. I don't like or dislike him. I don't care. All of this hype is... I can see why it's necessary. How it's an extreme counterbalance to what's currently going on, but this man can for sure, despite his unorthodox style, for sure, he can fight. He's a 3-time ISKA world champion and Enfusion champion. Really, no one can say he can't fight. The man is a dangerous fighter for real. Thank you all for watching. I love you all. And until next time, peace.